guys, welcome back. It is December 7th and I'm back in New York. I got back last night. I'm so happy to be back. Today's been amazing so far. I've really just been taking it slow. I got to sleep in. It's a Sunday. I actually went to a face gym, so my face feels awesome. They kind of give you like a facial. I went to the grocery. I've also just been cleaning, organizing, unpacking, anything I can do today to set myself up for a good week. My room, you can kind of tell it's cleaned up a little bit more than it was, but it gets so dark in the city so fast. The sun is probably gonna set here in the next 30 minutes. So I'm gonna upload a YouTube video and then I wanna go shopping and go get a sweater. But yeah, I got back last night and the city was so magical. Like, I'm looking out at Christmas lights right now and it's so beautiful. I have dinner plans with my friend in about 2 hours, so before we head out, I think I'm just gonna get ready and upload this YouTube video and then I'm gonna go get dinner with Zoya. The sun is actually going down and it's like not even 4 p.m. Crazy. I actually forgot I have to go pick up a package before this shop closes. So let's go do that. All right, I'm heading out to dinner with Zoya, keeping on the same outfit. All right, let's go. It is December 8th. We have a very fun day today. Right now I'm about to head out the door, but I was just packing my bag. We have some pants, some sweaters. I'm bringing these eye patches. So today is gonna be a fun photo shoot day. I've booked a studio. These go in here. Have my clothes right here. Don't do this one?
No. Like, maybe we can just be conscious.
Yeah. Oh.
While they get hot.
Oh, when you put them on you. I thought.
The old school ones. Yeah.
Yay. Wait, that's so cute.
Okay, wait, I'll do this. We set it on fire. Yeah. This is funny.
Last outfit. Okay, I actually just needed to show what I looked like coming home with all of this. That was the most fun shoot that we just did. Granted, a lot of it was just for fun to get creative. I love all of those girls I got some productive like work stuff done, but yeah, I really did just want some new fun photos. I haven't done any like studio pictures, any like headshot pictures, which is funny to say, but I haven't done that in a little bit. And when I did do it, yeah, I just kind of wanted a new one for this year before 2025 wraps up and I'm about to be 25. I'm like, you know what? Let's do a fun shoot, get some new updated pictures, anything that I could use professionally. Like I remember growing up when my mom would do a new headshot for her work or like whatever, LinkedIn, just to update it. And so I'm like, you know what? There's never a bad time to update some photos and take some fun photos. I brought home all of the presents that we kind of used for props. Kayla was so sweet and wrapped these boxes so that we could shoot them and give like a Christmassy sort of vibe, but they're so cute and she didn't have any room to take them back. So I was like, you know what? I can take them back. And if I'm getting a tree here, then I'll absolutely put some like cute presents underneath the tree. If not, I could probably reuse these. Put some stuff in here. I got my brothers some sweaters for Christmas. So this could be nice. And this morning I actually went to J.Crew and I got some sweaters for the photo shoot because honestly the whole vibe was like I want to take photos that I feel comfortable in and I feel confident in, which that's kind of like where the headshot's more professional, it's clean. And then I also wanted to kind of just have fun with it and shoot around in sweaters, have it be more of a winter photo shoot. I'll put some of the inspo that we used, kind of like that 1990s vintage ad look, J.Crew, Ralph Lauren ad, very natural but still kind of fun. That's where I got the pops of color. I got this J.Crew sweater today and it's so beautiful. I also don't have a lot of colorful sweaters, so I got this one and I'll show you guys what else I got. This sweater was so much fun. I got it in a medium, so it was a little bit oversized, but it's this like hot pink. And I feel like, again, I don't really take fun photos and stuff like this or wear stuff like this out, which I obviously will, but these are the two sweaters I got today. And then I brought my black turtleneck, which I wear all the time and it's actually J.Crew. And then I was in the store today, these jeans as well. They're just a really, really nice wash and they fit super nice. I got these in a size 27. I feel like with the belt I could make them high rise, kind of make them low rise. And then I got this like tan scarf, which you can kind of use more as like a wrap. It's like a super thick scarf and I love it. And then I also got this little scarf because I thought it was cute, the stripes. It's more plain, but it's still kind of fun. Darker gray, lighter gray. I also got these earrings, more of like a winter statement earring. And then I also got these pearl studs, which are really pretty. So that was my J.Crew haul. That was the photo shoot. I'll put in some photos if I have them back. Again, all the girls are amazing. We took some fun photos, got some new sweaters, got some work done. Like, it was a great day. So I wanted to do a little update. It is 4:08. I just got back to mine, obviously, and I'm pretty hungry. I wanted to go to sushi because that sounds really good. There's a spot down the street that opens up in 20 minutes. So I think I'm gonna go sit down, get some sushi, and then come back here. It's pretty messy. I'm cutting out some of the mess, but I still have my suitcase. I should clean up this stuff from today. Packages I picked up yesterday, some clothes I was gonna take home. And yeah, I think just some more organizing wouldn't hurt. But so yeah, we'll see what the plan is for the rest of today. I think right now though, I'm gonna take myself on a little solo sushi date. I am going to bed. It is 7 p.m. and I am so tired. Genuinely, I may go to bed. Like, oh my goodness, I'm not an early bedtime person. I actually wanted to get my nails done tonight, but I think I might do that tomorrow. The sushi spot I wanted to go was in fact closed, so I just walked and got some like hand rolls, but I'm actually exhausted. I think that this is gonna be a couple day vlog because I think I just want to shower and go to bed. That's where I'm at right now.